To use our plugin, you first need to find it via the Figma plugin community. Type Tracking Plan Companion to find it either on the normal mode or in the dev mode. In this tutorial, I will use the dev mode version of the plugin. After opening the plugin, it will ask you for a token. You can find your token in your Glazed project overview. Make sure to use the token from the right project you're working on. Paste the token and hit enter. You will now see a drop-down menu with the two files names matching your Glazed files. In this case, we want to use page 1, so it matches the page we're working on in our Figma design file. You can now see the overview of all events in the file, which matches the linked events inside your Glazed file. Selecting events inside the plugin will also select them in the Figma file and display the corresponding tracking specs. You can also select a frame to display only the events present in that screen. Click on the canvas if you want to go back to the file overview. If you make any changes inside the Glazed tab, like for example adding a new event, you will need to refresh the plugin in order to see the updated changes. You can do this by clicking the refresh button in the top right corner. Navigate back to the page we are working on, and you can now see that it has been successfully updated.